got you?
Whoa! Yay!
Wow.
See ya.
He can't get his butt up there, Grandma. Help him. He's caught on the end
Oh.
or something.
Get a load.
That looks painful.
There you go.
Wow!
Ta-da!
So much for that crap. Give me this thing.
On to the next one.
You're on
Your
fire.
very
Back off.
first bicycle.
Back. Stay back. Wow! Look at that!
Yay!
Yay!
Careful.
Beep, beep, beep. Is that the cutest? Beep,
Oh my gosh.
Where's the helmet, Dad?
Oh, yeah, I better get that, huh?
Yeah.
The
Yeah,
wheel,
the
that's
wheel.
right.
Yeah, beep, 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 beep.
Oh, that's funny. Who taught him that?
I don't know. You know what? You know what? I think when he used to do that, I think I used to do the beep, beep. I don't know.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I think it's just a truck. Well done.
Wait, look.
Already?
You got a
You
helmet
got a
that
helmet
goes
to
with
go
it.
with
You have
it.
to wear a helmet too.
Woo!
Oh boy.
You got the monkey helmet.
Oh, it does have monkeys on it.
Yeah. It's the big banana.
Yeah.
We're gonna call you the big banana. Here he comes,
Here we
big
go.
banana. Woo woo!
Yay,
Yay!
look at that.
That's the
They
coolest.
look like Daddy.
No, you have to wear it. You have to wear it when you go outside like this. Look, watch Mama wear it.
No.
Mine's gonna be too little.
Mama looks so retarded, but.
This is why I'm hot. All done.
All
Put it
done?
on.
What's up?
Put it on, Mama.
Here, can you put your helmet back on, please?
Put your hat
Safety
on.
first, Levi. Safety
Hat.
first.
It's a hat.
How cute.
Good
Go, go.
job.
Wait.
He's like,
Ready?
Oh, look it! Yay!
Levi, look
Hey,
at that.
Levi.
Levi.
Now try getting it off. Oh! He's almost got it. Blah.
Take an eye with it.
Oh, did anyone off?
All
Okay.
done, he says.
That's what
Off.
Yeah,
Look
yeah.
at that! Isn't that the coolest?
Okay, Levi, look at.
That's the coolest.
One more present that you didn't need.
Wow! Holy crap!
Ow, ow.
Yeah.
Wow!
You can take the finish right off the floor with that one.
That's going outside.
Yeah, this is the outside one. Wait, let's let Daddy get it out for us.
Probably because I
Okay?
put it upside down.
Did you do it?
Meant to be like that.
He'd love that.
No, I think I think
He'd
it's
love
supposed
that
to
in
be the
her
other way.
backyard, because he's always
Oh,
loaded.
Yeah, that's right.
I'll have to redo it.
That's all right. I just was like, why is it upside down?
I took one look at this and like, oh my god.
And it gets how to use it.
I wouldn't even know where to start opening this
Whoa,
one.
right here.
Wow! Look at all the toys you got.
I tell you what, bud.
I should have said no presents for Sunday.
Yeah.
I think we.
We're done.